Welcome. In front of me is a KODAK K12, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in here we're going to navigate to storage, which is visible right up here. In the storage section, make sure that when you have the drop-down menu right here where it says this device, click on it and select whatever the other option is visible. For me it says Android, but in your case it might say SD card or Samsung SD card, anything like that. Whatever it's showing you apart from this device, that's going to be your card. When you select it, in here it shows you the data usage and how much it actually has of total storage. We're going to just click right here on the three dots and select format. When you do, it gives you a quick info: format SD card for portable storage. So it doesn't really tell us, but formatting it will basically remove all the data that is stored on here. So any kind of data that is right now there will be completely deleted. And if you would like to maintain that data, make a backup copy of it to some other storage, maybe your computer or whatever else you want. But assuming you have already done so, or you just don't care to back it up, you can select format. It actually gives us this information right now, so it tells us that it needs to be formatted. That's false, it doesn't. We can use it right now as it is. But the second one is the one that I was kind of mentioning. So formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So we're going to click on format. And this only takes a couple of seconds. It should be right about done. And there we go. So click on the done, and that's it. Your card is formatted and ready to be used once again. So I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.